With your metallics, you always want to give them a good stir as the pigments do settle and it does separate. You want to use a thicker stick so that you can pick everything up from the bottom. And then when painting, you want to use the Stylmeester brush. This is the Series 1 Spalter brush. So this is flat, it's got lots of really soft bristles which will help give a really smooth and flawless finish. Load up your brush and then you just want to brush it out. I have already painted with some subtle textures, so I am brushing it kind of in all directions but also keeping it relatively smooth as it is quite a smooth finish. So you can see, brush it out and then just kind of feather it off. Now that it's all painted, I want to do a coloured wax. So I am going to use Old Espresso, which was the base underneath the champagne gold. And I'm going to mix that Old Espresso chalk paint with the clear wax. So in about a 1:1 ratio, you want to mix it on a flat surface. So I've done it here on some baking paper. As you can see, I've just got a bunch now of my coloured wax, which I will brush all over, and then the whole piece is done.